Okay, so today we're going to show you how to do a goblet lunge. So she's holding the weight nice and firm, tucked in tight to her body, so it's kind of pressed against your chest, so it's not going to go anywhere. Then you're going to lunge forwards with one foot, come back down, holding that for a second. So what you want to see is, I don't want to see the knee to go traveling that far forward, so let's keep it almost about 90-degree bend. Perfect. And then keeping the big toe down, that's the really hard part. And then as you go to stand up, you're pushing through the heel. The back leg is doing nothing. Perfect. And then let's go back to the start position again. Let's try that one more time. As she comes forwards, what we're looking for is the knee is going to track over the second and third toe. Yeah, and then coming back up. Perfect. We'll reset, do it one more time. You're going to also think about the ribs. You're going to just take a deep breath, exhale, those ribs are stacked on top of the hips. Come forwards with that one foot. As you land, it's landing hip width apart. The knee is stacked over the toe, keeping the toe down. Push with the heel to stand back up. The butt squeezes. And that's how you do a dumbbell lunge. Goblet. Goblet dumbbell lunge.